Hi Mahesh and team, hi to everyone in Bangalore. I'm Supant, I'm from Sikkim Tycoons, and I'm going to talk to you about the importance of MOM today. Okay, see, multi-level marketing or network marketing is totally function-based business. Functions are the place where we create achievers, and functions are the place where people actually see the great dreamers and the future millionaires of this industry. We are doing this business passionately for past 1 year, but I am in this industry for past 10 years. And what I've understood all this while is that if you are not promoting functions and if you are not being a part of the function, then you are losing out on a lot of money, and you are losing out on a lot of people who can actually take this business to the next level. MOMs in particular will actually help you boost your confidence, and it will not just help you understand the business well or just build the confidence, but it also enables your team members to have confidence on your leadership. They'll be able to understand your vision, the reason why you are in this business, and similarly a lot of like-minded people will be able to relate themselves to the kind of life that you have been living and the way you would want to live your life now. So MOMs, NDOs or Transform, all these programs are very, very important. See, we started Magnisa in the year 2016, but now in 1 year's time you can see the way Sikkim Tycoons has grown. Why? Because we are promoting functions. There has never been a week where we didn't conduct MOMs. Every alternate weeks we conduct NDOs. Transform, we make it a point that we conduct it once in a month or twice in 1 month. So these are the things that is very, very crucial if you are taking network marketing as a profession. It is a huge industry, but you have to understand that MOMs are the place where a lot of people can come, and like-minded people can interact. They can share their views. They can see how different people from different walks of life are achieving great heights in this business. I feel you have to start this right away, and you have to take this very, very seriously. Mahesh is a very good friend of mine, a great leader. You should actually follow what he's saying, because he's got a lot of experience. But he alone cannot make this happen. We need the team. And if you really want to live up to your dreams, and if you really want to fulfill all the dreams that you have, MOMs and NDOs and Transform, it's very important. I'm Supant, I'm a Ruby executive as of now, and we are soon going diamonds. Promote MOM to maximum, because that is where the real diamonds are created, and that's where you can find the real people who can actually take this business to the next level. So all the best, and see you on top.